Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Yamaha V-Star 1100 Silverado. This bike only has 5,005 miles. It's in excellent condition. It's an air-cooled V-twin. This comes with a standard windscreen, side cases, customer backrest or passenger backrest. It also has studs on the seat and the saddlebags. Very low mileage, mag wheels. It's got a great loud sounding exhaust. If you like a loud bike, you're going to like this Yamaha V-Star 1100. Tubeless tires. Bike is in great condition. Come by, check it out. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have insurance. 2008 Yamaha V-Star 1100 Silverado, just 5,005 miles for only $59.99. Right here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.